Namaste दोस्तों, welcome to the tutorial number 18 of the Hindi tutorials. In the previous two lessons, we studied how to write plurals in Hindi. Now, since we know how to write plurals, we have all the prerequisite for learning our first word. Today, we are going to learn the present indefinite tense of the verb hona, to be. Have a look at this short video clip.
लंगोटिया जीतू का मरा हुआ यार हूँ।
क्या?
मैं मतलब मरे हुए जीतू का लंगोटिया यार हूँ।
क्या?
था, थी, हैं, हो, ही,
अरे क्या हूँ? बेवकूफ तुम्हारा पेट।
Are you also confused like him? Okay, don't worry. In this lesson, your confusion will be gone and we will also practice a lot of examples. At the end of the video, I will give you a homework whose answers I will declare in the next video. So in this video, we are going to practice and see the examples of the first three forms. हूँ, हो, है. ठीक है? We will practice the examples of the fourth form हैं in the next video. ठीक है? Now, first I want to tell you that there is a difference between the pronunciation of है and हैं. Can you hear the difference? है, हैं, है, हैं. I hope yes. Well, at this level, understanding, hearing the difference is more important than actually pronouncing it, but you must know which one is used where. The first one is whom. Whom is used only and only after मैं. मैं हूँ, which means I am. ठीक है? Now, let me give you some examples. You can see 6 examples here. The first one is मैं सौरभ हूँ. I am Saurabh. मैं भारत से हूँ. I am from India. भारत से, from India. मैं दिल्ली से हूँ. मैं दिल्ली से हूँ. I am from Delhi. मैं एक लड़का हूँ. I am a boy. लड़का means boy. But do you know what? मैं एक अच्छा लड़का हूँ. I am a good boy. मैं 100 साल का हूँ. I am 100 years old. Do you remember that we learned how to tell our age in the tutorial number 12? Now, in all of these sentences, you can see that on the right side, the common thing is I am. And on the left side, the common thing is मैं हूँ. I think now it is very much clear how to write I am in Hindi. I am, मैं हूँ. I am dash, मैं dash हूँ. ठीक है? Now let's move to the next one. The next one is ho.
तुम हो,
क्योंकि तुम ही हो, अब तुम ही हो, जिंदगी अब तुम ही हो.
You can already see that ho is always spoken after tum. I have written it mid-formal because in Hindi there are 3 levels: formal, mid-formal and informal. If you are talking to a known person of similar or lesser age than yours, tum is the best way to address them. Remember, a known person of similar or lesser age. ठीक है? Neither too formal nor too informal. Now the examples. तुम नेहा हो. You are Neha. Neha is a female name. ठीक है? तुम देहरादून से हो. You are from Dehradun. Dehradun is a city located in the North India at the foothills of the Himalayas. तुम स्टूडेंट हो. You are a student. तुम एक लड़की हो. You are a girl. तुम एक अच्छी लड़की हो. You are a good girl. Nice. तुम 200 साल की हो. You are 200 years old. Well, I cannot imagine that, but yes, I can write that. Now here you saw that with tum always comes ho. ठीक है? तुम नेहा हो, तुम देहरादून से हो, तुम स्टूडेंट हो, तुम एक लड़की हो, तुम एक अच्छी लड़की हो, तुम 200 साल की हो is the mid formal way to say you are. ठीक है? Let's move towards है. है is used in all the informal singular cases. ठीक है? It has to be informal and it also has to be singular. Now, hai comes with tu. Tu hai means you are. You can use the word tu only with person who have a very close relationship with you. They can be your younger siblings or they can be your close friends. ठीक है? Hai is also used in third person. We have also learned how to use ye, wo in the tutorial number 11 and now in the tutorial number 17, the previous video. Now we will do some more examples to clarify everything. ठीक है? Let's see the examples. Suppose I have a brother and a sister of similar age as mine or younger brother. तू मेरा भाई है. तू मेरा भाई है. You are my brother. And I can use tu with my younger brother because he is very close to me and he is not an elder. ठीक है? तू मेरी बहन है. You are my sister. मेरी बहन is my sister. Do you remember we use mera before masculine nouns and meri before feminine nouns. So तू मेरी बहन है. You are my sister. Now there is a very close friend of mine with whom I hang out. I'll tell him, यार तू मेरा दोस्त है. It means the friend is a close person. Okay, you are my friend. Because I said mera, it indicates to a male friend. Now if I say तू मेरी दोस्त है, it indicates towards a female friend. ठीक है? Now, to a male friend, I would say, तू कैसा है? Or I can also say, कैसा है तू? ठीक है? तू कैसा है? To a female friend, I would say, तू कैसी है? In the same place, if the person was not my close friend, maybe a person whom I don't know a lot, I would have used, तुम कैसे हो? Or तुम कैसी हो? You can see I have changed 2 sentences here. तू अच्छा लड़का है. You are a good guy. ठीक है? तू अच्छी लड़की है. You are a good girl. If I write it, तुम मेरे भाई हो. This would be correct for an elder brother. ठीक है? तुम मेरी बहन हो. That would have been correct for an elder sister. Look at this sentence. ये कौन है? ये कौन है? Kौन is a new word for you. Kौन means who. क्या means what and कौन means who. ये कौन है? Who is he or who is she? ये सोनू है. He is सोनू. ये सोनम है. She is सोनम. Now remember, ये, it literally means this. If you remember from tutorial number 4, there is no separate word for he and she. So, ये सोनू है, he is सोनू. ये सोनम है, she is सोनम. सोनू एक लड़का है. सोनू is a boy. सोनू एक लड़का है. सोनम एक लड़की है. सोनम is a girl. सोनू अच्छा लड़का है. सोनू is a good boy. अच्छा लड़का, good boy. सोनम अच्छी लड़की है. सोनम is a good girl. सोनू मेरा दोस्त है. सोनू is my friend. सोनम मेरी दोस्त है. मेरी because सोनम is a girl and मेरा because सोनू is a boy. So सोनू मेरी दोस्त है. सोनम is my friend. सोनू 20 साल का है. सोनू is 20 years old. सोनम 30 साल की है. Sonam is 30 years old. You can remember 20 and 30 by, you can say in English, by means 2 and try means 3, isn't it? So B for 20 and T for 30. 20 and 30. ठीक है? Before giving you a homework, I would like to summarize what we have learned today. ठीक है? Here is a summary of what we have learned today. The verb hona, simple present tense, or as we say present indefinite tense. Who comes with मैं. Ho comes with तुम. तुम is you mid formal. है comes with तू. तू is you informal. ठीक है? And है also comes with third person singular informal. In short, है comes with every case of singular informal. In the next lesson, we will learn when to use हैं. ठीक है? Now I will give you homework, whose answers you have to comment below. Now here you can see your homework, in which you have to translate these sentences to Hindi. Now since we have not learned this much Devanagari, you are supposed to answer them in Roman letters. This is tutorial number 18. The next tutorial we will learn how to use हैं, and in the tutorial numbers 20, 21 and 22 we will learn more Devanagari. ठीक है? Learn, practice, do your homework, write your answers in the comments and learn Hindi. All the best. I will be back soon. फिर मिलेंगे. नमस्ते.